The Autosled roller coaster is one of Galaxyland's original attractions, opening back in 1985 when the park was known as Fantasyland. This family-style steel coaster was manufactured by the German company Thru and carries up to 20 riders at a time along 335 meters of track. This gentle coaster offers a fast, thrilling experience for riders of all ages, which travels above and around the other Galaxyland attractions. It's perfect for children looking to step up from the Dragon Wagon kiddie coaster, but maybe aren't quite ready for the Galaxyland Orbiter. Let's go for a ride on the Autosled.